Blessed day, dear students. I welcoming you all to this online revision class. Yesterday you revised physics and today we start our biology revision. Tomorrow you are going to write your first terminal examination in science. Prepare well for exam. Revise and study well. Utilize the time properly. The portions are from Unit 17 to Unit 21. First we will revise all the 1 marks. In Unit 17, the Animal Kingdom. In Animal Kingdom, choose the best answer is find the group having only marine members. It is Echinodermata. Mesoglea is present in Coelenterata. Which of the following pairs is not a poikilothermic animal? Aves and mammals. Aves and mammals are homeothermic. They are not poikilothermic. Identify the animal having four-chambered heart. The animal having four-chambered heart is crocodile. The animal without skull is Acrania. Hermaphrodite organisms are hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, and ascidia. Poikilothermic organisms are fish, frog, lizard, and snake. Air sacs and pneumatic bones are seen in bird. Excretory organ of tapeworm is flame cells. What-vascular system is found in starfish. Next is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks may be asked in 2 marks. The skeletal framework of porifera is spicules. Ctenidia or respiratory organ in phylum Mollusca. Scales or dash fishes, cartilaginous fishes. The larva of an amphibian is bilaterally symmetrical. Dash or jawless vertebrates, cyclostomes. Dash is the unique characteristic feature of mammal, placenta. Spiny anteater is an example for egg-laying mammals. Then true or false. These true or false already we have given that. It may be asked in correct the statements and you can go through the match the following and the evaluation question and answers which is already sent through the PDF. The next lesson is the organization of tissues. In organization of tissues, types of meristem based on position is a very important thing. So in this the 1 marks are the tissues composed of living thin-walled polyhedral cell is parenchyma. The fiber consists of sclerenchyma. Companion cells are closely associated with sieve elements. Which of the following is a complex tissue? Xylem. Xylem and phloem are the complex tissue. Parenchyma is found in hydrophytes, that means water plants. Smooth muscles occur in uterus, artery and vein, all the above. Nerve cell does not contain tendons. Nerve cell does not contain tendons. And the fill in the blanks are dash tissues provide mechanical support to organs. Compound epithelium. Parenchyma, sclerenchyma and collenchyma are dash type of tissues. Simple type of tissues. Dash and dash are complex tissue. Xylem and phloem. You have to read the spellings for this. Epithelial cells with cilia are found in dash of our body. Trachea, or we can call it as windpipe. Lining of small intestine is made up of dash epithelium, columnar epithelium. And you have to go through all the evaluation questions. In this, the difference between mitosis and meiosis and complex tissues and what are the different types of complex tissues. These are all very important thing that you have to study. Then the next unit is plant physiology. It's a very simple lesson. And this, the choose the correct answers are the tropic movement that helps the climbing vines to find a suitable support is thigmotropism. Thigmo means sense of touch. The chemical reactions occur during photosynthesis is carbon dioxide is reduced and water is oxidized. The bending of root of a plant in response to water is called hydrotropism. Hydro means water. A growing seedling is kept in a dark room. A burning candle is placed near it for a few days. The tip part of the seedling bent towards the burning candle. This is an example for what tropism it is. Phototropism. Photo means light. The plant part moved towards the light is called as phototropism. The roots of plants is positively geotrophic but negatively phototrophic. The non-directional movement of a plant part in response to temperature is called, temperature means thermo. So the answer is thermonasty. Chlorophyll in leaf is required for, what is the use of chlorophyll in leaf? It is used for photosynthesis. Transpiration takes place through, transpiration means loss of water from the leaves. It takes place through stomata. Then develops, the shoot system grows upward in response to sunlight. Dash is positively hydrotrophic as well as positively geotrophic. Root is positively hydrotrophic. They go towards the water and they also go towards gravity. The green pigment present in the plant is chlorophyll. You have to read the spelling. The solar tracking of sunflower is accordance with the path of the sun is due to photonasty. The response of plant part towards the gravity is geotropism. Plant take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis but need dash for their living. Plant take in carbon dioxide but they need oxygen for living. Then match the following true or false, and different types of questions are given. You have to read this. And this, so many differences are there. So read all the differences and define. Okay, read all differences and define the following. These are all the very important questions. In Unit 20, organ system in animals. In this lesson, we will study about different organ system in animals, such as excretory and reproductive system. First one is the choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not a salivary gland? There are three parts of salivary gland: parotid, sublingual and submaxillary. So which is not a salivary gland? Lacrimal. Lacrimal is nothing but the tear gland. Stomach of human beings mainly digest proteins. To prevent the entry of food into the trachea, the opening is guarded by epiglottis. So epiglottis prevents the entry of food into the windpipe. Bile helps in the digestion of fat. The structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Which of the following substance is not a constituent of sweat? Sweat contains urea, water and salt. So it does not contain protein. So the answer is protein. The common passage meant for transporting urine and sperm in male is urethra. Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? Female reproductive system la illada pagudi edun kekkranga. Testis. Because testis is present only in male. Ovaries, uterus and fallopian tube are present in female. Fill in the blanks. The muscular and the sensory organ which helps in mixing the food with saliva is tongue. So tongue is the muscular and the sensory organ. Bile secreted by liver is temporarily stored in gallbladder. Bile is stored in gallbladder. The longest part of alimentary canal is small intestine, which is nearly about 4 meters in length. The human body functions normally at a temperature of about 37 degrees centigrade. The largest cell in the human body for female is ovum. Ovum is the largest cell in the human body of a female. Then true or false, match the following, differentiate the following. It's a very important question. Any one differentiate can be asked in 2 marks. So answer briefly and answer in detail. And this describe the alimentary canal of man. It is a very important 7-mark question, and you have to draw diagram for that. Already I have given you a short form of this alimentary canal question. So you have to read all this and you have to draw diagram. And in the question, explain the structure of nephron. You have to draw the structure of nephron. It's also a very important question. Next lesson is the last lesson, Unit 21, Nutrition and Health. In nutrition and health, the choose the best answers are the nutrient required in trace amount to accomplish various body function is vitamins. Vitamins are required in trace amount. Trace is nothing but very small amount. The physician who discovered that scurvy can be cured by ingestion of citrus fruits is James Lind. James Lind only discovered scurvy. The sprouting of onion and potatoes can be delayed by the process of irradiation. Food and Adulteration Act was enforced by Government of India in the year 1954. An internal factor responsible for spoilage of food is internal factor. That means it is present inside the food, that is a moisture content in the food. Then the fill in the blanks. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking dash diet, balanced diet. If we take the balanced diet, deficiency diseases can be prevented. The process of affecting the natural composition and the quality of food substance is known as adulteration. The process of affecting the natural composition and the quality of the food, that is adulteration. Vitamin D is called as what vitamin? Sunshine vitamin. Dehydration is based on the principle of removal of water. Dehydration. D means removal. Hydration means water. Removal of water. That is called dehydration. Food should not be purchased beyond the date of expiry. While we purchasing some food, we have to look into the expiry date. So food should not be purchased beyond the date of expiry. Agmark is used to certify. Agmark means agricultural product, right? So Agmark is used to certify agriculture and livestock products in India. Then match the following. True or false are given. So it's a very important thing. And then fill in the blanks with suitable answers are given. So in this, vitamins, dietary sources and deficiency diseases are given. You have to fill these gaps. And the very important thing is the abbreviations. Abbreviations, surely 2 marks will be asked. ISI, what is meant by ISI? Indian Standard of Institution. FPO, Food Process Order. Agmark, Agricultural Marketing or Marking. FCI, Food Corporation of India. And FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. And then give reasons. So 2 marks it will be asked. Give reasons. I already told you different types of question will be asked in 2 marks, such as correct the statement, fill in the blanks, match the following, give reasons, define, what is. Likewise, different types of questions are given. So don't leave any evaluation question. Revise all the questions. Right? Give reasons. Salt is added as a preservative in pickles. Why? Question will be asked like this. Deficiency of calcium in diet lead to poor skeletal growth. Why? Okay, and then answer briefly. Differentiate Kawashekar and marasmus. It's a very important thing. And then very important 5 mark maybe. Very important 7 mark question is 2 detailed questions are given. How are vitamins useful to us? Tabulate the sources, deficiency, diseases and symptoms of fat-soluble vitamins. This is also a very important question. And explain the role of food control agencies in India. This is also a very important question. So in this lesson, the 2 detailed answers are very important. Please study and write it. Okay. So go through all the evaluation questions, question and answers. So split the time. Okay, split the time. So study properly. Don't copy from the book. Okay, read and write. Read the spellings thoroughly. Write it 5 times in your rough notebook. Right? If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Right? All the best for your exam. Do it well. Thank you.